In far north Queensland, 2.5 hours drive and a car ferry north from Cairns is one of Australia's most surreal destinations. The Daintree Rainforest is home to both cassowaries and crocodiles, and we had chance encounters with both. I should do my vlogs in a relaxing voice. Hello everybody.
Be David Attenborough.
Hello everyone. I'm here in the Daintree Rainforest. We are going in search of the elusive saltwater crocodile.
It's actually pretty good.
Thanks. A trip to the Daintree Rainforest is on my must-to-do list. It is famously where two UNESCO sites meet, the rainforest and the reef, but it is so much more than that. We started by getting right amongst it on the Madja Boardwalk. We're heading out to Cooper's Creek now, where we hope to see some crocodiles. Here we are scanning for crocodiles. I don't see any. While we didn't spot any crocodiles here, we did see hundreds of mangrove seeds and a very healthy mangrove forest that the boardwalk ran through. Do you like big buttresses?
I knew you were going with that one.
Well. Okay, so this is just confirmation that everything in Australia is trying to hurt you. And we've survived the Madja walkway. Unfortunately, no crocodiles today. After the boardwalk, we headed north to Cape Tribulation Beach and came across a cassowary and its baby on the side of the road. Not wanting to be attacked by a dinosaur, we stayed in the car. Cape Tribulation Beach, the northernmost beach we visited. This area is entirely off the grid, and we stayed in an eco cabin that used solar panels and rainwater. Inside was spotless, with no reptiles or spiders to be seen. Outside the unit was a different story, but this was all part of the magic. On the following day, my hunt for a saltwater crocodile intensified. On a visit to Cow Bay Beach, we saw something floating in the waves. I was adamant it was a log, but just in case I decided to send the drone out. As I approached, I realised it was, in fact, a crocodile. Locals suggested it was an 8.5 metre crocodile that had taken 2 dogs from the beach in the last fortnight. My heart was racing, and what scared me the most is how the crocodile just sank and vanished. This shot is being played back in real time. I kept searching for another half hour because I was desperate to get another shot, but I never saw it again. If there was a crocodile around, you wouldn't know unless it wanted you to. Seeing this crocodile definitely put swimming out of our minds, but our experiences with saltwater crocodiles were far from over. To get a closer look while maintaining a good safe distance, we joined a cruise on Cooper Creek in the heart of the forest. Among the mangroves, we saw a giant male along with a smaller female. Seeing wild animals in their natural habitat is always a thrill, and I never truly appreciated their size and the intricacy of their armor plating until now. The Daintree Rainforest is such an incredible place to visit, and with more time I'd love to return and explore further. For now, this trip was the perfect conclusion to my time in Queensland, Australia.